In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule stories on Meta Business Suite. If you want to plan your content ahead of time and make sure your story goes live exactly when you want it to, Meta Business Suite makes that process very simple. Scheduling stories is especially helpful if you manage a business page, want to stay consistent with posting, or just prefer to prepare content in advance instead of publishing everything manually in real time. To get started, open Meta Business Suite and go to the story creation area. From there, click Create Story. This opens the Story Composer where you'll be able to build and schedule your post. Once you're in the Composer, click Add Photo Video. This is the option you'll use to upload the media you want to share in your story. After selecting it, browse your device and choose the file you want to use. In this example, you'll simply choose a photo. Make sure it's the correct image before moving on, since this is what your audience will see when the story is published. After your photo has been added, look for the schedule option and click it. This is where you switch from publishing immediately to setting a future date and time. If you're planning content for a campaign, promotion, or announcement, this step gives you more control over when your audience sees it. Next, choose a date for your story to go live. Pick the day that matches your content plan, then type in the time you want. Be careful here and double check that the time is accurate, especially if you're posting for a specific event, sale, or peak engagement window. It's always a good idea to quickly review both the date and time before confirming, just to avoid scheduling it for the wrong moment. Once everything looks right, click Schedule again to finalize it. That confirms your story and places it into your scheduled content queue inside Meta Business Suite. And that's it. Your story is now scheduled and ready to be published automatically at the date and time you selected. This is a great way to stay organized, save time, and keep your social media presence active even when you're busy. If you're scheduling multiple stories, it can also help to keep your images prepared ahead of time so the process goes even faster. With just a few clicks, you can create your story, upload your photo, set the schedule, and let Meta Business Suite handle the rest.